So you want to impress your vegan friends? You want to be that guy at the office who labels his food in the collective refrigerator, gives the impression that he summers in continental Europe eating like the locals? I guess it's time you learn how to spell Gazpacho. I guess another name for it could be cold vegetable soup. Pretty much what you want to do is take all of your old veggies out of the refrigerator, bell peppers, tomatoes, cucumber. Don't forget always a little bit of garlic. And what you want to do is just give it a nice rough chop. When it comes time to blend the vegetables, we want to start with the hardest vegetable first. So in this case, cucumbers, to really get the peel down, get it liquefied. And then we're going to keep going up to the progressively easier ones, the bell peppers, then the tomatoes and garlic. Really just get it all nice and liquid, aka soup. We're also going to throw in some basil here. Just give it a nice little flavor. Could try whatever you want. Could try parsley, could try cilantro. That is if you don't claim to be genetically disposed to disliking cilantro. You'll also want to get ready some olive oil, some form of acid. I'm using apple cider vinegar. Don't forget to taste. Salt. Taste again. Give it a final blend, and there you go. You've got gazpacho.
Ready to try some gazpacho, Felix? Oh, like that. Ooh.
I think we have a fan of gazpacho.
Look at you. Going to be the talk of the water cooler with your gazpacho.